Welcome to Captiva Desktop Repair Service, where fast and reliable desktop repair is just a call away. We bring expert solutions right to your home or office. Is your desktop acting up? Whether it's sluggish performance or hardware malfunctions, our team is ready to tackle any issue you face. Located in Captiva, Florida, we specialize in providing top-notch desktop repair services to both homes and businesses with unmatched care and expertise. Why choose us? We offer affordable repairs, employ professional technicians, and provide the convenience of service at your location. Your satisfaction is our priority. Our services include virus removal and protection, hardware upgrades, data recovery, and software troubleshooting. Whatever your desktop needs, we have the solution. Enjoy high-quality service without the hefty price tag. Our affordable rates ensure you get the best value for your money right at your doorstep. Experience hassle-free repairs at your location. Most issues are resolved on the same day, saving you time and effort. Don't let desktop problems slow you down. Call us at 239-421-8187 for a free consultation and get your free quote today. Contact Captiva Desktop Repair Service now. Call 239-421-8187 or visit captivadesktoprepairservice.com to schedule your repair. Let us handle your desktop issues quickly and professionally.